Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys doing a tutorial and a review on the new Anastasia and Norvina palette. Guys, the excitement is real. I'm literally going crazy over this palette right now. I'm obsessed, I'm in love. It's literally beautiful, I'm loving it. I will be showing you guys a full review on this. I'll be showing you some swatches as well. I am also gonna do a little swatch of the entire palette on my Instagram, so make sure that you're following Beauty with Rianne and you'll see some swatches of this palette on there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so we're going in with the new Norvina Anastasia palette. Oh yes. Let's open this bad boy up. I've literally opened it to look at it. I have not used it or anything, so look how oh my god, look how beautiful that looks. And look how brand new it looks. It just looks like, I just love it. I'm just loving it. In this palette, as always, you get the Anastasia brush, and we also have 14 shades. Let's just take a minute. So, let's start. The first shade I want to go in with is called Eccentric. I'm excited to see how these perform, how pigmented they are. That was literally 2 dabs, and look how pigmented that went on. Let's see how it blends out. That blended out beautifully. I'm loving how that's blended out. It looks really soft, and the colour, the pigmentation is just all there. I feel like this eyeshadow's got really good colours in it. The only thing is that mattes, like the transitional shades. I mean, these transitional shades kind of work. This is like a deeper shade. But these ones, like, I just can't think what to do with them. Okay, let's go in with Passion. Okay, that's really rich. Okay, so far I'm liking how that's looking. Now I definitely want to go in with one of these purple shimmer shades, or pink shimmer maybe. I quite like this deep burgundy shimmer as well. Let's swatch that one actually. It feels so soft. It literally feels like butter. So this is the shade Drama. Oh my. Guys, did you just see the pigment on that swatch? Oh wow. That is beautiful. I'm just going in with Drama on my outer V. Now I'm going to go in with Celestial, which is this shade here. Let's just try something different and see how it goes. The pigment is real. Wow. I'm really liking that. It's always when you try something different and when you got your comfort zone that you're like, I actually like this. This is one of them looks. I'm just going in with a brush with Celestial just to like fix the edges and make sure that it's nice and even. I am really liking this look. Okay, I'm just going to do the rest of my face and come back so that I can give you my final thoughts and final review on this palette. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finishing look. Full face done, eyelashes on, mascara on, everything is done. All I want to do, and all that's left to do from this palette, is add a little bit of inner highlight. I feel like that's missing, and I feel like we need to get that added on. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. Oh my. Guys. Okay. I really was not expecting that. Okay. I'm loving that inner highlight. I feel like I want to just put a little bit of that on my nose. even though I already highlighted. Add a little bit more of that. I'm loving it. Okay guys, so finishing look. I even added purple lips to go with the purple look. I am loving this palette. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this Anastasia palette, the formula, the pigmentation is a lot more extreme and a lot better than their other palettes. I don't know if that's just me. I feel like I'm noticing a lot of differences in this palette compared to like the Subculture palette. Like this palette had, in fact, this palette had like no fallout. There's literally no fallout on this palette, and there was no fallout on my face or anything. It's kept together really nice, and I'm really liking it a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. I hope you guys also enjoyed the look that I created. If you did, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.